Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Amit Kumar, Vice Principal of Innocent Heart School, Green Model Town, Jalandhar, discuss the shift from traditional to skill-based education, highlighting the importance of conceptual learning and teacher-led innovation to better prepare students for competitive exams. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Sir had to say.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today, we have with us a very special guest from the education fraternity. He is Mr. Amit Kumar, Vice Principal, Innocent Heart School, Jalandhar. So, welcome to the summit, sir. First of all, how's your experience being here?
It was very fantastic, especially the session of the Pandey sir. It's a very, very amazing session. And definitely when the one person who is on the border and comes on the stage, then definitely each and everyone must inspire from that.
Thank you so much, sir. So, sir, tell me, what are some unique or innovative teaching strategies that are being used in your school to, foster deeper student engagement?
In fact, before the COVID time, there is a traditional learning when the teacher go into the classroom and teach the student and come out. There is no extra activities there. And definitely the student are not able to adapt themselves for the innovative ideas. But at this time, this is the demand of the time, because the student must be having the skill-based education. Without the skill-based, you cannot make the student more comfortable. And even in the competitive exam, when the student is appearing, for example, JEE Mains or the IIT or the NEET level exam, and there are conceptual learning there. No traditional question will be there. So student must have the innovative ideas, and that is implemented and adapted by the teacher only. If the teacher go into the classroom and ask for the demonstration of the any activity, then definitely the student can handle that one is easily.
Absolutely, sir. And what's your take on AI? Like, the influence has been growing like anything, and there have been instances where students or teachers are being found, kind of cheating the content from the AI. And I won't call it cheating, but if you call it help, it will be a good way of saying it. But what's your context on this? Should we be dependent on AI that much, or like it should be there should be a balance?
I partially agree with you, because the AI will give only the framework for the student.
Right.
If you have taken whole the content from the AI, then definitely the student crisp to that content, and creativity will definitely lose there.
Absolutely.
So we have to make the student more innovative. So we just like AI, just like a teacher who gave the platform to the student, and then student thinking about self, how can it be handled? For example, if we provide the phone to the child, then the child definitely adapt himself to handle all the apps. How can it use?
Right.
Technology has the two-way consequences. For example, one is the negative, and excess use of the technology and no use of the mind. And the second one is use of the technology along with the mind. Definitely there will be the boon for the student also.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your views. It was an absolute wonderful experience.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 721707010 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.